Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming what you're turning off and why. On Android, Live Caption is a system feature. In Chrome, it's a browser feature. Once done, open Settings on your phone or open Chrome's Settings menu. Make sure the media or tab producing captions is active so you can verify the change immediately. This saves time because you'll toggle the correct control and avoid chasing the wrong setting across apps and system menus. Now you'll perform the actual toggle. On Android, go to Settings, then Sound, and switch Live Caption off. You may need to open Accessibility on some phones. In Chrome, open Settings, search Accessibility, and turn Live Caption off there. For apps like YouTube or media players, open their caption or accessibility settings and disable captions if they're still showing. Do this with the media playing so you can confirm captions stop immediately, which confirms success. Finish by confirming captions are gone. Play the same media and watch for text. If captions persist, force close the app or restart the device, then check settings again. If a system update or permission is interfering, reset accessibility or clear the app cache for the affected app. One key troubleshooting tip: if captions reappear after a restart, recheck both system and browser/app caption controls. Sometimes both sources need disabling to fully stop live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.